Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting new entry in the pickup truck market, the 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck. Known for their heavy machinery, Caterpillar has ventured into the consumer truck segment, and their debut is nothing short of impressive. At first glance, the 2025 Caterpillar pickup commands attention with its robust and rugged design. The front features a massive grille proudly displaying the cat emblem, flanked by bright LED headlights designed to illuminate even the darkest job sites. The high, sturdy hood with functional vents hints at the power beneath. Moving to the side, the truck boasts impressive ground clearance and hefty all-terrain tires, with flared wheel arches enhancing its formidable stance. Inside, the 2025 Caterpillar pickup seamlessly blends ruggedness with comfort and advanced technology. The spacious cabin offers ample headroom and legroom, with seats upholstered in durable, stain-resistant fabric and optional leather for added luxury. Under the hood, Caterpillar offers a range of powerful engine options. The base model is equipped with a 5.0-liter turbocharged V8 gasoline engine, delivering 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission optimized for both on-road and off-road performance. For those requiring more muscle, there's a 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine producing 500 horsepower and a staggering 1,000 lb-ft of torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Caterpillar's expertise in heavy machinery shines through in the truck's off-road capabilities. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to varying terrains, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising on the highway. While official pricing details are yet to be released, industry experts estimate that the 2025 45 Caterpillar pickup will start at around $85,000 for the base model, with fully loaded versions reaching upwards of $120,000. Pre-orders are expected to open in mid-2025, with availability slated for late 2025. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck marks a significant milestone as Caterpillar enters the consumer truck market. With its blend of industrial-strength durability, powerful performance options, advanced technology, and thoughtful design features, this truck is poised to make a substantial impact. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest automotive news and reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.